So guys, the next function on our list is right justify. As we had for left justified, it is just the opposite of left justified that we have seen in our earlier video, where our justify method, the name itself, it says is right justified. It provides you the string as per the specified width with padding with the number of characters with the characters to fill the empty spaces. Yeah, as what left justified or centered does, it will make the string the length as you have specified. Yeah, and it will pad the string with the characters which you have specified in the fill string. So the syntax on right justify is the same as left justified. So if you see this syntax is the same thing. Only thing that we need to change is change the rjust to rjust. So this will be L will be replaced by R. Rest all the entire syntax remains the same. Yeah. So the width would be a length of the string, which would be an integer that you need to specify. And the fill character is any character which is optional, and it should be only one character at a time. Yeah. We'll use the same examples that we have used for left justify. We'll try to fill the string with some character. So we are filling it by $sign here, right? Just we'll see what is the result. See, the $sign has gone to the left and your text has been right justified. Wherein in left justified, we have seen the $sign was on the right and the text was automatically left justified. Yeah. Let's see the next example where we replaced the character with the alphabet. Yeah. So I'll just change this L to R. Rest all the code remains the same. See this? So it has replaced it with the alphabet. Yeah. Same way, if I do not put any padding character or fill char to the code, it will automatically pad it with space. Yeah. So I have not added anything as the fill char, which is optional. See this, it has filled the characters which was as X. It has been filled with space. Yeah. Next was, yeah. So if I, again here as well, if you try to fill multiple characters in fill char, yeah, if I try to put multiple characters in fill char, it will come up with an error. Yeah. So if I have multiple characters, I have X dollar, I filled anything. Yeah. So it will come up with an error because fill char cannot be multiple character. It has to have single character only. Yes. Now, again, as we have seen in center and left justified as well, if you put the width which is lesser than the length of the string, then it will provide the original string only. Yeah. So it is original string without any paddings or anything. Yeah. So you see that the left, right justify are the same as we have seen earlier. One more thing that you need to understand is even though if I put a dollar here, it will still not, or if I try to put a character here to be filled, it will not fill it because the width itself is smaller than the length of the string. So this putting the fill char is also of no use at all. Yeah. So left justified, R justified centers, the syntax are the same, only a interchange of some characters here and there. Yeah. But the working of all these three methods are the same. Yeah. Whether it used for padding a string, whether it you use for uh, padding on the left hand side, right hand side, or center, so that you align the text. This is more to do with data cleaning, where you or the text or the output beautification, where you understand the output by putting all these alignments in proper way. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do share, like, and comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel to get more such videos and information on Python. Thank you so much.